Welcome back to the channel. See our new model, guys. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the year, the 2026 BMW 5 Series G90. A perfect blend of elegance, futuristic tech, and powerful performance. From its bold exterior, next-level interior, to the heart-pounding engine lineup, we're about to explore it all. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's roll. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 BMW 5 G90 introduces a refined and mature design language, sleeker, sharper, and more aerodynamic than ever before. At the front, BMW keeps the iconic kidney grille but reshapes it into a cleaner, more proportionate look, surrounded by adaptive LED or optional laser light headlights with razor-thin DRL signatures. The front bumper features aggressive aero channels, giving it a sporty yet executive presence. Moving to the side, the G90 carries a long, elegant profile with sculpted character lines that highlight its premium proportions. The flush door handles, 19 to 21-inch aerodynamic robot-style wheels, and chrome accent trims complete the modern luxury vibe. Around the back, you get a beautifully layered rear bumper, slim 3D LED taillights, and a more athletic stance. BMW clearly wanted this generation to balance sporty heritage with sophisticated business-class elegance, and they nailed it. Moving inside, the 2026 5 Series G90 feels like stepping into the future of premium mobility. The cabin is dominated by BMW's latest curved display, merging a 12.3-inch digital cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen running BMW iDrive 9. Ambient lighting sweeps across the entire dashboard with customizable colors, creating a premium lounge atmosphere. Materials are top-tier, soft merino leather, open-pore wood trims, aluminum detailing, and even microfiber options for the sportier M models. The seats offer ventilation, heating, massage functions, and enhanced bolstering for long-distance comfort. In the rear, passengers enjoy increased legroom, advanced climate zones, and optional entertainment screens depending on the trim level. BMW also upgrades the sound environment with a Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system, giving you a concert-like listening experience every time you drive. And now, the heart of the beast, the engine lineup. The 2026 BMW 5 G90 comes with multiple powertrain options, depending on the market. Starting with the base models, you get a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing smooth, efficient performance. Moving up, BMW offers a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo, delivering impressive power with silky refinement. BMW also pushes electrification further with plug-in hybrid variants, combining electric motors with the turbo engines for stronger torque and better fuel economy. But the highlight? The M Performance version, featuring a high-output inline-six, AWD X-drive, and sporty tuning that pushes this sedan to another level. Smooth acceleration, precise handling, and perfectly weighted steering, it's everything you expect from BMW. And that wraps our full overview of the 2026 BMW 5 Series G90, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and future-ready technology. What do you think? Is this the best 5 Series BMW has ever made? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.